If you need to request a refund from LinkedIn, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your LinkedIn account by entering your credentials on the LinkedIn website or app. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the purchase you want to refund. Step 2. Navigate to the Help Center. Once logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click on the Help Center link. This will direct you to LinkedIn support resources where you can find information about refunds. Step 3. Search for refund policies. In the Help Center, use the search bar to look for refund policy or request a refund. Review the information provided to understand the eligibility criteria and the process for requesting a refund. Step 4. Submit a refund request. If you meet the criteria for a refund, follow the instructions to submit your request. This may involve filling out a form or sending an email to LinkedIn's customer support. Be sure to include all necessary details, such as your account information and the reason for the refund. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your refund request, monitor your email for a confirmation from LinkedIn. They may take some time to process your request, so be patient. If you do not hear back within a reasonable time frame, consider following up with customer support. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process on LinkedIn. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer support for assistance.